Tyler, what's that noise?
What?
No. What's that noise?
Tweeting? You tweeting?
Uh-huh.
Frogs.
Frogs?
The peeing frogs. They sound like pee.
You hear the little frogs?
You look like a girl.
What? If I'm a girl, I must be an ugly girl.
You must be
'Cause
what girl?
I have a beard and a shaved head. What kind of girl has a beard and a shaved head?
You! You are a girl.
You want to swing?
Yes!
Okay.
I'm gonna go swing.
Go for it.
Whee!
I'm going to sit in this rocking chair.
The rocket one? Come sit by me. There's a lot of room.
You want me to swing with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Swinging is fun. Whee! But you better hold on tight.
Look, the sun's setting over there, Tyler.
Oh, yes. I hope they do that.
Look, we got Tyler and the monkey Trayton. Can't barely see him. Sitting out here on the porch, on the front porch.
I want to see.
It's kind of dark.
The same size as Earth.
There's a Trayton. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing, little monkeys? What's the boy doing? Huh?